2018 Mercedes-Benz CLA-Class review. The CLA-Class shows promise, however, many other entry-level luxury sedans get it beat. The Mercedes-Benz three-pointed star is probably the most recognizable luxury badges on the globe. The fact that acquiring one typically sets you back a significant amount has been more developed. That is not necessarily the way it is with the 2018 CLA-Class. For about a similar price as a non-luxury sedan, you can acquire a lot of Mercedes charm and quality. And for a wide range of purrs, that is certainly enough. If it were really the only sedan to use class, we'd be inclined to agree. But there are a few similarly priced vehicles around, and so they don't have the same drivability, comfort and space conditions the CLA does. As a result, we advise checking out those European rivals' contracts on the dotted line. What's new? For 2018, the Mercedes-Benz CLA-Class returns largely unchanged. The 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 delivers more performance as opposed to typical driver expects, leaving the AMG CLA-45 for your select few who wish much more. The standard features list is unwatchly lengthy, but we'd suggest adding the premium package for a few luxurious creature comforts and also the multimedia package for that navigation and smartphone integration. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLA-Class sedan emerged in CLA 250 208 horsepower, 258 pound-feet of torque as well as a higher performance AMG CLA-45 375 horsepower, 350 lb-ft trims. Both models are powered by way of a turbocharged 2.0-litre four-cylinder engine combined with a 7-speed, dual-clutch automatic transmission. The standard CLA 250 is front-wheel drive, but all-wheel drive Mercedes 4MATIC is obtainable as an option. All-wheel drive is standard together with the AMG CLA-45. Standard feature highlights for that CLA 250 models include 17-inch wheels, automatic wipers, selectable drive modes, dual-zone automatic climate control, simulated leather upholstery MBTEX, 8-way power front sport seats with memory functions, and 6040 split folding rear seats that has a center pass-through. On the technology front, you obtain an 8-inch infotainment screen, Mercedes Command infotainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, a rear-view camera, forward collision warning and mitigation, a drowsy driver monitor, embrace emergency telematics, as well as an audio system that has a CD player, HD radio, 2 SD card slots and a couple USB ports. Upgrading for the AMG CLA-45 adds 19-inch wheels, LED headlights and running lights, unique styling and aerodynamic flourishes, an activity exhaust system, upgraded brakes and transmission, a torque vectoring differential, a hobby steering wheel and simulated suede upholstery inserts. There are several main option packages to see out for. These include the premium package keyless ignition and entry, a hands-free trunk lid, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats and satellite radio, the convenience package auto-dimming mirrors and also a universal garage door opener, the interior package leather upholstery, upgraded dash and door trim, and interior ambient lighting, the multimedia package navigation system, voice controls, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration, and also the driver assistance package adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning and intervention. Many AMG-based styling elements can be obtained on the CLA 250. Other notable add-ons have an automated parking system, a variable suspension, a panoramic sunroof as well as a 12-speaker premium Harman Kardon sound system. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically will come in multiple versions which might be fundamentally similar. The S on this review derived from our full test on a 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 Turbo 2.0 litres inline 4, 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, FWD. Since this test was conducted, the actual CLA-Class has brought some revisions, including a retuned suspension, a small interior and exterior styling update, extendable front seat thigh supports along with a new infotainment screen. Our findings remain broadly applicable to the year's CLA 250, however. Driving. With its strong 4-cylinder and quick-shifting transmission, the CLA 250 offers enough performance to impress owners from the larger class. Unfortunately, that same transmission could be quirky in normal driving. Acceleration. With its 208 horsepower 4-cylinder plus a quick-shifting dual-clutch automatic, the CLA 250 gets in control effortlessly, especially from 20 miles per hour on. In our testing, the CLA accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour inside a respectably quick 6.4 seconds. Braking. Even in high traffic, the CLA's brakes are linear and to modulate. We recorded a panic stop distance of 121 feet from 60 miles per hour, that is an average distance just for this class of car. Steering. The CLA 250's steering is nicely weighted, it's neither overweight nor too light. Turning is sharp, as there are enough articulation for simple parking. The steering, however, doesn't provide you with much feel for your road. Handling. The CLA 250 has enough poise and control to feel stable using a twisty road or highway or ramp curve. Drivability. The CLA's transmission might be slow to answer your commands, like when generating a 3-point turn. It also allows rollback. At times its operation can make it feel like the engine is over-revving. Comfort. The CLA 250 falls amongst the expectations of an activity sedan and also a luxury car. This may be the most affordable Mercedes, but it really sure doesn't feel entry-level with regards to its suspension capabilities or cabin's noise suppression. Seat comfort. The CLA's seats offer nice bolstering, but they also have a short cushion that lacks thigh support. Mercedes MBTEX faux leather feels exceptional and durable but lacks ventilation. Prepare to feel sticky. Ride comfort. A mixed bag here. The CLA 250 prior to a suspension retune handles potholes and brakes inside pavement with zero drama, but gets jostled by seams inside the highway and pulled around by grooved pavement. Noise and vibration. In true Mercedes fashion, the CLA 250 is quiet by any means speeds and does an admirable job blocking out the ambient sounds you'll find around the road. Interior. A traditional Mercedes-Benz decor in that it's not flashy, but it really surprises, which consists of ease useful. Limited rear seat access and space, plus lackluster visibility, hurt the CLA's score with this category. Simplicity of use. The CLA's interior is deceptively basic and remarkably convenient to use. It has a large infotainment screen, clear gauges with an easy knob and button-based climate control. The gear selector stalk is loved or cited. Getting in, jetting out. Front seat access can be a non-issue with wide door openings along with a reasonably high seat. Rear seat access is hugely problematic, because with the sloping roof, there is simply not enough head clearance. Roominess. The CLA's interior feels tight. Not unpleasant, but cozy. The rear seats have good legroom but severely lack headroom. Visibility. The rear view camera is really a necessity due for the CLA's poor rear visibility. You can thank that sloping roofline. Driving this car definitely requires proper mirror adjustment. Quality. Meticulous Types is able to find some bits about the CLA that wouldn't make it on the class. But most all you could touch, from tyre to stalks, switches, the command controller plus the seats, seems like a Mercedes. Utility. Smart interior packaging makes for more storage options compared with some rival sedans. The trunk is well shaped and has a large opening and advantages from added rear seat convenience items for large objects. Small item storage. With the shifter relocated to your steering column, the middle console is freed nearly house more bins and cup holders. There's an abundance of them to hold all of your current personal effects. Cargo space. The trunk is decently proportioned, that has a large opening and shrouded hinges. Total capacity is 13.1 cubic feet. The standard split and folding rear seats plus a center pass-through may help when things get tight.